Hey guys, welcome back. In this video we will share with you a simple and delicious hot dog recipe, so stick with us. First we start by cutting our buns, but be sure to not cut them all the way through. We continue by cleaning and slicing a white onion. We proceed to slice some red peppers. For this hot dog recipe, we use a delicious smoked pork sausage. It is homemade and it has roughly 35% fat. If you like our content, then be sure to hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to us. You can either grill or sear the sausage. We will sear it because we will caramelize our vegetables in its fat. We add the vegetables to our pan, we give them a good mix, and we pour a small amount of water. We want them to boil in the first minutes to get them nice and soft. We season with salt and ground pepper. Last, we add some sugar. We sear them for 2 minutes until they get nice and caramelized. And we are done. The cooking process takes roughly 6 minutes. We love meat, so we add 2 sausages to our bun. We top them with the caramelized vegetables, and last we squeeze some mayo, mustard, and a touch of ketchup. But you can spice it up as you like. This is our take on the hot dog. The smoky spicy sausage, along with the creamy sweet caramelized vegetables, are a perfect combination. Try it out and let us know what you think. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you on the next one.